Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are doing good. My name is Shraddha Gupta and today we are going to do a chapter number 21 from your EVS book. So let's read the chapter. The chapter name is Ride on a Spacecraft. If you look at the sky during the daytime, it appears light blue. You may see the bright sun, moving clouds, flying birds, etc. in the sky. So when we see in the sky, the what we have seen? Birds, sky color that is blue, moon, sun, stars. So these are present in the sky. But at night, the sky becomes black. What at night? Night means the sky becomes black with uncountable stars. So we cannot able to count the numbers of stars. That's why that is known as uncountable stars. Some very bright, some twinkling. These stars together form different patterns called constellations. So some are very bright, some are dull, some are twinkling, and these all stars, some kind of stars, like these are the group of stars, and these are makes the constellation. These constellations have different name also. These stars look small because of their huge distance from the Earth. So when we compare the distance, so stars are very far from the Earth in the place of moon and sun. So in sun we are not able to see the sun, but the sun is also a star, and stars are very far. That's why they are seen in a size of very small size. But sun and moon are near to Earth in comparison to stars. That's why we are able to see the huge size of sun and stars. Some of them are even bigger than the sun or the earth. Even the stars are more bigger than sun and earth, but we are not able to see them a big size. Why? Because they are present at a very distance from us. Sun is also a star. As I have already told, sun is also a star. It shines because lots of gases are burning inside it continuously. The white shines like a yellow ball, yellow bright ball. Why? Because the gases are continuously burning inside it. It is the main source of energy and light for us, and the sun is the main source of energy for us. Why? Because solar cookers are present, solar panels are present that are producing the electricity. If you use telescope, you will be able to spot some planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the star. The sun has 8 such planets moving around it on a fixed path called orbit. So, how many planets we have? We have 8 planets that are moving around the sun in a fixed path. Moon is a natural satellite of the planet. So, for Earth, the planet, for the Earth, that is a planet, and the natural satellite that is we have, that is Moon. A natural satellite is a heavenly body which moves around the planet. So, like Earth is moving around the sun, but moon is moving around the earth. So this is known as what is natural satellite. Moon is a natural satellites of our planet. The earth, it's very near to the earth. That is why it looks bigger than a sun. Moon reflects sun's light. So moon don't have its own light. Means moon have its own light. It reflects only the sun's light. That's it. Sun and moon are opposite to each other. That's why he is able to reflect the sun's light. As another, it's a very near to the earth. That's why we are able to see the big size of the moon. Moon has launched several man-made artificial satellites into the space. So wow, man has already, as you have seen, this satellite is going into space. This satellite, America is going to send, Russia is going to send. So this is called the artificial satellites. They help in scientific research, radio, TV transmissions, weather forecasts, etc. Sometimes you must have seen some stars moving fast with a bright tail behind them. As you have seen, that is a breaking stars, you have shooting stars, we are going to say, that is a stars and with a tail around it, like this way. So, these are known as, these shooting stars are called meteors. So, what is these called? These are called the meteors. If you see the earth from the outer space, you will find that the earth looks blue. So when we see the earth from the space, then you can see the earth in a blue color. This blue color of earth is due to the presence of large quantities of water on it. So what is this blue color? Shows the large quantities of water. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to go to space in 1984. It was a great achievement for our country. Our Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, asked him, how does India look like from a space? So, Rakesh Sharma is the first person to go in a space. Rakesh Sharma replies, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. So what? In the Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked Rakesh Sharma how our Earth, how our India looks like from the space. So he replied with a सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Kalpana Chawla was the only Indian woman, that's an Indian woman also, to have ever gone into a space in 1997. Unfortunately, when she was on her second space mission in 2003, along with 6 other astronauts, the shuttle burned up into entry in that Earth atmosphere. So she is the first Indian woman to go in a space. So what we have learned? We have studied about the space, about the constellations, about the satellites. So this much is in your chapter. Bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next video.